Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G200, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So that's very easy. Just here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons, and just tap here to one from these volume buttons, and here you'll see the bell icon. Just tap here twice to the bell icon and you will turn on your silence mode, and all your calls and notifications will be muted. And just to turn off the silent mode, here tap again to the ring, to the bell, and all your calls and notifications just all unmuted. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.